Ligatures. Ligatures are the aesthetic connectors in typography, blending letter forms into graceful, harmonious unions. These specialized characters replace specific letter combinations to enhance the usual flow and aesthetics of text. For example, instead of FI appearing as two separate characters, a ligature can connect them into a single fluid character. This results in a more visually pleasing and legible representation, especially in fonts with elaborate or decorative letter forms. By mastering the art of ligatures, designers unlock a world of elegant typographic design where letters seamlessly join together, creating a distinctive and refined look in their compositions, making them not only more visually appealing but also improving readability. If you are interested in knowing about more such design terms, check out my video on 101 design terms that every graphic designer should know. It's your key to unlocking innovation, refining project scopes, and enhancing user experiences. Whether you are exploring design trends, delving into advanced brand strategies, or navigating the intricacies of UI UX, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hasta la vista, Chero!